Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to accept payments on Systeme.io using PayPal? Here's how to connect it in just 1 minute. First of all, log into your Systeme.io account and go to the dashboard. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Then select Settings. Now scroll down and select Payment Settings and verify your account. Then click Payment Gateway. From here, click PayPal, then click Connect. Then enter your PayPal email address and save. Now go to your funnel, edit your product payment settings and select PayPal as the gateway. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.